Hello friends, please like, subscribe and share our channel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Before going into the merits of the matter, I would like to discuss the scope and limit of correction by the court of an award made by the arbitrator stop. The Supreme Court in case Food Corporation of India versus Joginder Pal Mohinder Pal and another have observed that arbitration as a mode for settlement of disputes between the parties has a tradition in India. Stop. It has a social purpose to fulfill today's stop. It has a great urgency today when there has been an explosion of litigations in the courts of law established by the sovereign power. Stop. It is therefore the function of courts of law to oversee that the arbitrators act within the norms of justice. Stop. Once they do so and the award is clear, just and fair, the courts should, as far as possible, give effect to the award of the parties and make the parties compelled to adhere to and obey the decisions of their chosen adjudicator. Stop. The Supreme Court in the above said case further observed that is it in this perspective that one should view the scope and limit of correction by the court of an award made by the arbitrator. Stop. In case Raipur Development Authority and others versus Chokhamal Contractors and others, the Supreme Court observed that the two well recognized principles of natural justice are that a judge or an arbitrator who is entrusted with the duty to decide a dispute should be disinterested and unbiased nemo judex in cause sua, and that the parties to dispute should be given adequate notice and opportunity to be heard by the authority audi alteram partem. Stop. Giving reasons in support of a decision was not considered to be a rule of natural justice either under the law of arbitration or under administrative law. Stop. What applies generally to the settlement of disputes by the authorities governed by public law need not be extended to all cases arising under private law, such as those arising under the law of arbitration, which is intended for settlement of private disputes. Stop. Para. The Supreme Court in another case, Municipal Corporation of Delhi versus Messrs. Jagannath, Ashok Kumar and another, have held in clear-cut terms that appraisement of evidence by the arbitrator is ordinarily never a matter which the court questions and considers. Stop. Section 1 of the Evidence Act 1872 in its rigor is not intended to apply to proceedings before an arbitrator. Stop. The parties have selected their own forum and the deciding forum must be considered the power of appraisement of the evidence. Stop. The arbitrator therefore is sole judge of the quality as well as quantity of evidence, and it is not for the court to take upon itself the task of being a judge of the evidence before the arbitrator. Stop. It may be possible that on the same evidence the court might have arrived at a different conclusion than the one arrived at by the arbitrator, but that by itself is no ground for setting aside the award of an arbitrator. Stop. The Supreme Court in the above said decision further observed that it would be unreasonable to expect an exact definition of the word reasonable. Stop. Reason varies in its conclusions according to the idiosyncrasy of the individual and the times and circumstances in which he thinks stop. The reasoning which built up the old scholastic logic sounds now like the jingling of a child's toy stop. But mankind must be satisfied with the reasonableness within reach, and in cases not covered by authority, the verdict of a jury or the decision of a judge sitting as a jury usually determines what is reasonable in each particular case. Stop. The word reasonable has in law the prima facie meaning of reasonable in regard to those circumstances of which the actor called on to act reasonably knows or ought to know. Stop. Thank you for watching.